Now for each of the strapping, we'll tie a loop at the end, like so. And we're repeating this for all four. Put them in place like such. Again, just ready to tie off. First press white button. That brings the compactor plate down so we can then tie off the baler. Now the compactor down, we open the main door. We use this to pull out our strapping. Out like this, so you push that in. Then we got a pallet ready. Such, then we get the tip and up button simultaneously.